Top 5 jobs to be replaced by AI. Number 1. Software engineer. OpenAI and Microsoft are already trying to tackle replacing software engineers, with ChatGPT being able to produce code and Github Copilot being able to generate code based on project context. OpenAI is also releasing OpenAI Codex, which aims to completely translate natural language to code. Number 2. Customer service reps. Companies are now using AI-based customer service assistants to spare them from hiring a person to do this job. Number 3. Copywriters and content roles. ChatGPT is also able to produce complex and useful or relevant paragraphs in seconds. Buzzfeed has recently started publishing AI-generated content, but there is still a long way to go. Number 4. Graphic designers. Tools like dall-e, Midjourney, ChatGPT 4, and many others are already on the market, generating astonishing graphical design for websites or sprites or any kind of image. Number 5. Traders or bankers. Advanced algorithm and AI are already used to detect patterns in a large set of data. Recently, there was a trading assistant created from Auto-GPT that was able to make informed trades. AI will impact all kinds of jobs in the future. So to stay on top, make sure to join and follow AI Society.